Hi, this is Suresh from Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to give you a good information for other state students, those who are very much interested to do engineering in Anna University, Tamil Nadu. Already I have posted a video regarding that, and I have given all those details regarding the seats, how many number of seats for all the states has been allotted. So, if I am right, almost 50 seats are allotted for other state students in Anna University to pursue their engineering. Already there are three institutions, major institutions under under Anna University, where you can take up your BE, BTech and even BArch exam, graduations in that particular university. So the other state students has been given an opportunity to apply for engineering. The last date for application is almost it is September 3rd. But due to this corona situation, I am bringing you a good information for you is that this date has been extended till September 30. So till September 30, any students, those who have missed it, please don't miss the chance. Immediately log into the website www.annainu.edu/other-state-admissions-2020. In that, you can able to go and just log in yourself and do a process, online process, apply your applications and get benefited. This is an information for you. Again, those who are already longing for an admissions in Anna University, kindly make use of it. I can in next video, I hope if I have any educational updates, I'll bring it to you at the earliest. Wish you all the best for a bright future. See you soon in Anna University with your dreams come true. Thank you. Bye bye.